2016 Mercedes Benz GLA250 all-wheel drive. They towed in because of the leak, huge leak. So we find out something is leaking behind the engine, behind the block. So that's the thermostat housing. This is the new one. We already got it. So it's about 4 hours job. The intake manifold has to come off with a bunch of hoses and all this stuff. It has got just 4 screws with T30 right here. Be careful, don't break any hoses or anything. It's always a good idea to replace the gasket on the intake. So we disconnect and disassemble the throttle body, so in order to give us more room, and we took it off. So this is the new one, and this is the defective one. If you look at it, here, look at the broken part right here. So that's the malfunctioning and broken one. So we're gonna put the new one on it. So again, you need to access from here, nothing to do from the underneath. All you need to do, just disconnect the battery, take the intake manifold off, and then when you take that intake manifold off, again, be careful about every single hoses. You don't want to break any of them. So when you take the intake manifold off, then you're gonna have access to that thermostat. It has just got 2 bolts in it. Put some lubricant around the O-ring and just you can slide it in. There is a bunch of hose coming into it. Then you need to disconnect every single of them and transfer them to the new one. Again, that's about a little bit more than 4 hours job of labor. And make sure you use the right coolant for this vehicle. And that is it, I believe so. Again, be careful about every single hose. We don't want to break any line or anything else. And we order the gasket for the manifold. It's coming. And after that, it's a good idea to let it run for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the thermostat operate. Put the heater in the max and let it run. Before that, I usually run the compression test with a special tool, right tool, to make sure if it's gonna hold the pressure. Again, just to make sure there is no any other leak from somewhere else. That was all about it. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up as always if you like this kind of videos. If you need any help, you can reach to me through the phone number or text message. And I really appreciate your feedback and subscription. Thank you guys. See you next time.